Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video is our monthly Carolina Girls collab hosted by Riri, and I'm joined with the lovely Patrice and Makeup by Jessicavargas. For December, we are doing all that glitters, and I am stoked for this even though I have a huge love-hate relationship with glitter. But I recently tried out some glitter in a previous video, which was the Trend Mood Nabla Takeover box. I will link that video for reference. So I think I am going to utilize that quad, focusing on this shade right here, Ruby. One, it's red. Two, that reminds me of Christmas, and I cannot believe we are already here in December. Crazy. For the eyes, I envisioned mainly red on top and then green on the bottom, and I kind of want to do like candy cane freckles. Is that a thing? We're gonna make it a thing, kind of like how I did for the Falling in Love collab previously done this year, which I used leaves as freckles, so I'll link that video as well for reference. I will leave my collabs playlist link to watch previous collabs, and if you're visiting from any of the channels, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. Oh girl, if we talk about this mane, holy volume. So I'm trying not to put my hair in ponytails or my infamous bun like my hair is usually in. So I got this lovely clip. And I got it in a curl box, one of the non-subscription boxes. My girl Jackie Naturals has me hooked on the curl box, and I have been loving just putting my hair in this because A, it does not tug at my hair, and if I have my hair up in a ponytail for way too long or a bun, my scalp gets super sensitive and it's painful. So far, that clip has not caused any pain. I just forget about it when it's time to go to sleep. I haven't even touched my ColourPop Main Squeeze palette before. Oops. I think I'm going to take the shade Like It's Hot. Drop it like it's hot. And the shade is just gonna go everywhere in the crease. Normally in a ponytail, like my hair is a mess, and this clip gave it volume. Like holy crap, volume. Whew, it's hot. I thought it was supposed to be almost winter time and some strange weather we're having today, honey. It's funny because this hair back in the day, I definitely would have been super insecure about and would have just straightened the crap out of it and proceeding to damage it so bad. But I got my haircut, what was it, August? And it's December, and the ends, I gotta say, are, I mean, they're starting to get like a little crusty and gross, but not nearly as bad as it used to get when I would constantly straighten it. So any of the damage that I have right now is just from putting it up, usually in a bun. That's just my go-to with my hair. But I have really been enjoying embracing my natural hair. I've gotten a lot of compliments. My mom can't even wrap her head around about like how my hair is doing because no one has ever seen it like this before. Last time I saw Catherine, all she could do was just stare at my hair. So 2021 hair is definitely going to continue the natural hair journey, and I have way too much fun testing out products for it these days. Don't get me wrong, I still get excited for skincare and makeup, but now you throw hair care in and it's like, oh girl, all the stuff to try. Plus it's fun to see like what's working and not working for your hair, and you also get a feel of like which brands are worth either investing in. I have actually found some really good drugstore. Maui really treats my hair well, and I just ran out of that shampoo conditioner, which I'm super sad. And there's like a bougier brand that I got off of IPSY called Nelson, which my hair doesn't like nearly as much. I'm a little sad. I am going to try their hair mask though, just to see. At least I found one drugstore line that it likes. And now that I'm not damaging it, my hair isn't doing the BS rejecting hair products. In the past, like every month, I would have to rotate a shampoo conditioner because my hair was just not getting like the benefits anymore, but I suppose that was also linked to the damage. Thinking of maybe deepening it a little bit with red bottoms right here. But some other things I want to focus on is funny because I was updating my bio and it said project panning and low buys are goals for 2020. Oh, how the joke is on me. When the year started, I was very focused on project panning as well as Shop My Stash, and I really want to get back into both of those. I also want to do monthly reviews just because we get a lot of items in all of the different subscription boxes. That way we're just doing a little bit of more reviewing and recapping and seeing how all of these products are treating us. I also want to keep track of the best and the worst products that we receive in subscription boxes as well. I feel like a lot of hopes, dreams, goals were just crushed by this year. I know we don't even have to talk about why that is the case. The concept of time is so strange. Right now, I can't even tell if the year did fly by, did it drag, or what. In a way, I still feel like I'm stuck in March. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of Frosé just to fluff out any harshness we might have. So hopefully 2021 will have a little bit better luck with some of these goals. I also want to do like updated skincare routines, makeup routines. It's funny, before like this whole natural hair journey, I did set aside some of my hair products and I never talked about what my hair care routine looked like then. Oh, how things have changed. And I see some staining on my eyes in the future from all this red. Red is a shade I like on my lips, not as crazy about it on the eyes. But 'tis the freaking season. A lot of people ask, have you started decorating for Christmas yet? We never took our tree down. It provides awesome accent lighting in our family room. So I leave the tree up year round. Kind of want to decorate it for each holiday respectively. I know it might be a pain taking on and off ornaments, putting on garland, but totally worth it if you ask me. And then I think I'm going to take Home Slice for the lid. Might go back into red bottoms just to round out the outer V a bit. That way the shade doesn't get lost. It is so pretty. I do want to round it back into the crease a little bit just because it adds like that really nice dimension to it. Dimension the dice. Watching too much Yu-Gi-Oh! Now I'm going to add some of this Nabla Glitter Ruby and focus it all on the lid. It's funny because I almost didn't even want to put glitter on my lid, and I'm like, how am I going to do a video that is themed for glitter and not use glitter? I'm going to add some eyeliner to my lid and waterline before we smoke it out and highlight the inner corner. I'm going to take Act Natural from Just My Luck to smoke out the lower lash line. And then taking some of Big Bangs right here for the inner corners. And then for lashes, I'm going to take the style Caliente by Zola Lashes. I'm going to add some mascara to blend in my natural lashes with the falsies, and then taking some eyeliner for my upper waterline. And now to draw on some candy canes. In my original idea, I was going to take some of this glitter from the Nabla Quad Ruby and put it in the candy canes, but I am going to skip on that and then just add the red lip that I ended up going in over the initial red that I used a lip liner with, just to help emphasize it a little bit more. And this is the final look. I really like how the little adorable candy canes came out, but man, is my arm cramping. This was the first time I have taken eyeliner. I took this from Araceli to draw on the candy canes, and at first I'm like, oh, we're looking a little bit rough. And instead of just dwelling on how messy it was, I went on ahead and just filled things in, and it kind of cleaned itself up in the end. Really liked how this NYX white base really helped amplify the white in the candy canes. And then the original pencil liner kind of got lost, so the same lipstick that I have on from BOXYCHARM, which is Red Inferno, I took the same pencil that I did for the white with the red just to help amplify it up a little bit more. And then I ended up tracing the candy canes out again just because some of them started to lose their shape or form, and I think it helped make them pop overall. There's a lot going on this look. We have the candy canes and we still have the glitters on the eyes. We have these beautiful lashes. Hard to tell what is actually like the true focal point of the look. I'd love to know if you guys are excited for the holidays. Hopefully this got you into the holiday spirit. Have you guys started decorating? What are your holiday plans, traditions? Did you do any Christmas shopping during Black Friday or Cyber Monday? And don't forget to check out everyone else's look. There will be a playlist linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.